guys, today we're playing Bee Swamp Simulator. It is a very popular game. 94% likes. Actually, Resort Tycoon is better than this. 44.5k. That's more people playing. Just not as many people liked it. But that doesn't mean it's worse. That just means more people play. Because it's not always like the number. Anyway. So, this account has nothing on it. We're just starting. I'm pretty sure it's the right one. If it's not, I might have to delete this footage. But it should be. Maybe like 3 episodes of this in. Then I might take a break. I record way too much. Think one? Hear noises. Bong, bang, beam, boom. Oh yeah, this is the right music, okay. Let's see what we got. It's very laggy. What the? Oh, here we go. I know how to do all of this, so I can skip and show you guys. Oh, wait, no. So you pick a hive, go into a hive, pick a hive, claim hive. So you have eggs, you have to buy them though. You start with 1 because it actually gets you money, or it turns your stuff into honey, which is technically money. So you can put a basic egg. I should probably get a mouse. I'm probably gonna get one next episode. But wait. Basic egg. No. Okay, I'm gonna go somewhere where it's a lot less laggy. That'll only take like 10 seconds. So you. So laggy upstairs. So hopefully it's less laggy down here. But the basic egg. Oh, you drag it. That's why. Hatch a basic egg. Oh no, bee. Basic bee. That's technically the common. So we have a bee now. That's our first bee. You can buy bees over there. You can also buy different backpacks and shovels. You guys, a lot of you probably know this. If you don't play Roblox, you probably don't know. You might not hear me clicking, but I actually can. Okay, now I'm not sure that was. So there's actually different fields, and there's also quests from different bears, because bears like honey. And there's these things. There's some sort of there's ladybug you have to fight. So laggy. Not sure if you guys have this footage. If you guys have better footage, I think you might do. You think you might have better footage than what I'm seeing. Because I know everything's in short motions. Just gotta collect all the money. Plus 33 per second. And once you have 200, you can go back to your hive and turn it into money. Then you grind until you have enough for another bee. Backpacks are what I like the most. This is a very cool simulator, but I have probably 2 more games I would show you guys that we're going to be playing.